I think this is a very private story that is universal in its theme. And I believe that people will find moments in this play that will truly impress them and live with them even after they leave this theater. Hi, my name is Gefei Liu. If you want to learn more about my play Birds and the Curiosity, written by me and Olivia Xing, please check out this video. I think we don't really have any idea how the story will turn out to be when we started writing it. It's just that last summer, Olivia and we were both so boring. We're so bored, and we just wanted to find something to do. And because previously we have produced a show based on Olivia's experience, so we were like, okay, fine, let's create a show based on my experience. So we had a chat. We talked about my experience, especially my childhood, and we both think, oh, it will be fun to create a story that is based on my childhood story, which is basically my experience as a slightly oversized kid. And that is how we decided to go into the direction that we're going right now. The themes are multiple, but I think the most important one is to find your authentic self. And other minor themes includes a children's creative agency and the loss of your loved ones, and also how to accept yourself as you are. I mean, Olivia and we have been working on a lot of, maybe 5 projects together before. I think we are 2 very different people, but we kind of complete each other in some way, especially in writing. So I think in writing, she is very good at just going with the natural flow, and she is very good at like writing very natural conversations, and she has this very cheerful energy that could always, how do you say, like whenever I was down or anything, when I was upset, she has this energy to just cheer me up. But we do have some similarities. I think we both have a very special sense of humor. And that is why writing with her is never too boring. I think I want the audience, when they are walking out of the theater, I want them to feel like, wow, this is theater. This sounds a little bit ambitious, but I want to redefine theater for them, to make them feel like, oh, theater isn't just Shakespeare. Theater isn't just serious, expensive stuff. Theater is accessible, it's fun. I'm really looking forward to hear some feedback from the audience, especially the kids. We're now marketing the show as a family-friendly show, and there will be a lot of kids coming to see our show. And this is quite a new experience for me, because this is like my first kids-friendly show, and I think they will have some completely different reaction than adults, and that will be fun. I think this is a very private story that is universal in its theme, and I believe that people will find moments in this play that will truly impress them and live with them even after they leave this theater. Hi, my name is Gefei Liu. My play Birds and the Curiosity, written by me and my friend Olivia Xing. There will be shadow puppets, a giant ostrich, a hamsters singing, and a lot of other fun stuff happening in this show. It's family friendly, but it's also welcoming all age audiences. Um, you will laugh for sure. You will probably cry a little bit if you're emotional. But anyways, it is a story that I believe should be heard by everybody. And please come to see Birds and the Curiosity. See you at the theater.